Lawrence is hungover again.
I am. And actually, we've this week has been amazingly uneventful. So we've been here for a week now, haven't we?
We have.
It's a nice place. The road is a bit annoying behind that you can hear, but when we're in the rig, we can't hear it.
Internet's naff.
The internet's crap. It's been a tough week work-wise, but we don't even know what's going to happen this week. So let's go and see what we can find. I'll put the long intro in this so that we have some time to go and find something.
Really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
Alright, we found something. So literally just down the road from our campsite, which is in Brimfield, Massachusetts. We saw this the other day. There was loads of parking around. Anyway, we are at the world's biggest antique fair / flea market in America.
Yes. We
And
are.
it was just so happens it was going on this week. So
We
thought,
didn't know about it. It was a campsite owner that when I booked it went, oh, are you coming to the antique show? And I was like, what antique show? We were meant to be going, and don't be disappointed, but we were meant to be going to the Cheers bar in Boston, but
Yes.
we vetoed it.
we did. We will go there one day. I just don't
Yeah.
want to drive the truck in, and it's not exactly close. So
No.
right, this is either going to be a very cool experience or it's going to be crap. I think it's going to be very cool. So let's go check it out. The good thing is we're here late. I'm very hungover. I did not drink that much. We went to a brewery and a distillery, which were fantastic. And I feel like crap today. So we're really late. The good news is all the old people have left already because they've probably been here since 6 o'clock. And so there's loads of not free parking. We still paid for parking, but there's loads of space. So, right, I need to get some food first. Is that okay?
Yes.
Let's get food and a coffee. Coffee.
That is pretty cool. I don't know where it's from.
I do not, I know.
But it's $425, Lawrence. No. It's nice though.
It's proper. It's real. It's genuine.
It's genuine, yeah.
48 star.
Spanish-America War, 45-star flag, 1898.
Comes with a frame as well.
That's a nice frame.
It's a no right now. I reckon I can work on this though. I'm too hungover to do any facts, so this is Natalie's facts.
Natalie's fun facts.
Natalie's fun facts. So did I get it right earlier when I said this is the world's largest outdoor?
It's largest
antique-
and oldest,
Oh, really?
actually. Yes, it did start in 1959,
Wow.
off the top
Okay.
of my head.
Just off the top of your head. What else?
It is the largest with 5,000 vendors here. But there are some other ones. There's one in Texas that claims to be the largest, unsurprisingly.
But this is over 21 fields.
Yes, apparently.
And I'm surprised actually, it's been raining all week, so I'm surprised that this isn't like a mud pit.
Yeah, apparently I heard one lady say yesterday was pretty bad, but it's dried up pretty quick, so that's nice for us.
I want to buy something.
Already? Oh goodness, we've only got this is the first lap of 5,000. Let's go see.
Literally the third tent we've been to. British knife, made in Sheffield.
Nice.
Don't know why that's here.
Why? What
I'm
year
guessing
is
it's
it?
I'm guessing it's 80s because it's got that weird fake like pearl stuff. What do you call it? Ebony and ivory, like fake ivory. Anyway, a bit rusty. Needs some work.
Fanciest on the RV block. Hi, would you like an afternoon tea? Whilst Lawrence is on a mission to find some old flag, I've warned him that if we see anything with a Doberman on, it's coming home with us. So I'm on the hunt for anything Doberman related. Lawrence isn't impressed. So we were just chatting to one of the vendors, Lawrence,
Yeah.
where you saw your old flag, and he did say that different fields are open different days. So we
And
are
times.
and times. So we are currently in the oldest field, I
Yeah.
think he said, and it closes at 3 today. So we do have a good hour to look around, but he said
Yeah.
other fields will be open a bit later. So
Well, I can see the other one. There is one just over here.
Oh.
So we can cross that little bridge and go to this field.
Okay, let's do that.
Let's do that. I'm getting there. I can feel it digesting. I'm feeling a bit better. We had a little iced coffee as well. So yeah, I'm starting to waken up a little bit.
Lawrence. Everyone had
They
those on
would
the
look-
farm in Virginia.
They would look cool on the wall.
They would.
A bit heavy. So Natalie, have you found a Doberman? Yeah. Oh, sorry. So Natalie, have you found a Doberman?
You can't do that joke twice. Craft beer, are you ready?
No, absolutely not.
Okay, we're in the second field now. It's a lot of the same stuff, not gonna lie. I was so close. It's kind of a Doberman, but it's not. It's a wiener dog. Damn. Keep trying. Okay, we're almost close again, but I've got a feeling it's a Great Dane lab mix. Hasn't got the Doberman face.
Anything. How much?
Only 420. Know nothing about antiques, Lawrence.
Well, no, I don't. But you can see, look, this hasn't been taken out. So it hasn't been replaced.
Does anyone else have these conversations with their husband where we have to buy something, Natalie, because it's an investment? It's only going to get older because it's from an antique show.
It's a 45-star US flag.
It's a massive frame that we have to store in our RV. We already have a stag's head in there. This is going to end up like one of those Top Gear episodes where we just load it up with utter tat.
No, American pickers. There you go.
This is terrible, people. Help
Is
me.
this the ATM there?
Yes, it's the ATM.
Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 342, do you have that?
I counted it twice already. This is my annual pocket money, this is.
Yeah, but now if you got this too, but then you would have to remember what Confucius said. Duck who fly upside down is sure to quack up.
Anything to put it in?
Gonna have to take it like this.
No, this is awesome. It's so cool. Good for you. Yeah,
Happy with yourself. Look, we got the flag.
Oh wow! I didn't know I was going to get to see it.
I know. How great is that?
What's the count?
45.
45. That's
Yeah.
I've never seen a 45.
1898. And he thinks the frame is from that era as well.
It looks like it.
You can see it hasn't been opened.
Sealed.
Well, it's all. So this is a bit of a crazy thing we just did, but from the reactions we've had walking back to the car, I think we made the right choice. So I don't know anything about this. I haven't looked at it. I could be absolutely conned, but it was up for 425. I paid 362. I really liked it. We didn't buy anything else, but it's a 45-star flag that's framed. He thinks the frame is from the same time, and it's from 1898 apparently. Anyway, everyone loves it. Everyone who stopped us said that is amazing, love it. You haven't been ripped off, looks genuine. The other thing is on the back you can see it's all properly, it's an old school frame. There's actually newspaper behind it, but I don't want to take it off to see that, because all the pins are still there. There's nothing, no one's done anything to this. So anyway, what do you think? In the comments please, before I do the research. If I have been conned, try and find a way to word it nicely, or Natalie's going to kill me. Alright, I think we're going to end it here, are we?
Yeah, I think we're done. You're sweating your ass off.
I am. It's very, very hot
It
today. It's only
is.
got very hot this afternoon. So anyway, we loved it here at Brimfield Antiques. Apparently this happens in July,
May and
September. May and September are normally bigger,
because it's not as hot.
not as hot, and yeah, I don't know why. So anyway, definitely come here. And I would come here on a mission to find something. We were on a mission to find a
A
Doberman.
Doberman, yeah.
Not one. We walked around
Disappointed.
at least like 4 of the fields, I think.
Yeah.
Got absolutely lost. Anyway, we will put another video playlist up here we think you will enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the thanks button because it makes Natalie's day. And if you'd like to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits, you can hit the join button to become a channel member. That was smooth.
That was very smooth. Now I think you definitely need to sign up to support this idiot buying stuff we don't need.
Please, can you pay for my picture, my flag I just bought? All right, we'll see you next week.